What sets CDI apart from other post-secondary institutions is the fact that the class size is small, and it gives me the ability to give more individual time to each student.
What's unique in the CDI that most of our instructors, they have not only educational experience but also industry experience.
Once you are here, you have the instructor, instructors, everyone to help you succeed.
My instructors have been so encouraging and helpful in all the areas during my program. So I learned a lot from them, and knowing the basics and knowing everything that I have to learn.
I think the hands-on training is great. Every teacher is willing to work with you if you have a question, individually put you aside and help you out.
My training helped me a lot with my skill sets and my abilities, especially in the Microsoft suite, as well as my confidence has gotten me to a more professional role as I work with students.
What inspired me to pursue a career in oil and gas administration was to have a stable career to provide for me and my family.
We also like taking them to the GEO convention where they can interact, meet, network with geoengineers, geologists, and definitely get a sense of what the industry is like. Some of the field trips that we offer at CDI College in the oil and gas program, we try to make sure students are familiar with AER, Alberta Energy Regulators, and we take them to the core research lab. Definitely an important piece for the students so they can get some hands-on experience.